My name is Nicole. I am a speech language pathologist, and I have been doing it for 14 years now. I had a very interesting start to the field. I started college as a music major, and I took a course in normal language development, and I learned about these children that grew up in extreme trauma and had limited access to language, and it just sucked me in as to how can I be part of the teams that help support these kids. So I do everything from home visits for our early on students. I push into preschool classrooms, which especially at preschool, you just never know what you're gonna walk into. You might be walking into free play and sitting on the floor, building blocks, playing with cars. You might be joining the class on a nature hike to the nature space, or you might be sitting in the corner helping a student in their safe space find their regulation. I just love being able to give kids their voice. I work with a lot of students that have complex communication needs, so they need alternative methods to access communication, which is a human right and a human need. One of my favorite memories, I was a brand new speech pathologist, and I had an iPad with a communication device that had just come out, and I had some M&Ms sitting there, and we were just modeling. So I was pressing, I want M&M, and I would eat one, and I would give one to the student. And he looked at me, looked at the M&Ms, and he touched, I want M&Ms, please. And it was just so wonderful to hear him communicate that. And so that was really exciting. Just getting to see my kids grow up. I know I also coach little kids soccer. So to know that I worked with some of these kiddos when they were at home, when they were in preschool, kindergarten, first grade, and then to see them on the soccer field being successful, to see them at the homecoming parade, to see them at the park. It's just so amazing to see that I had a small part in their development. And I always tell my families, when their students graduate, I don't want them to remember that I'm there rooting for their kids, but I will be rooting for their kids, because once they're our babies forever.